Good morning, campers. Welcome to Gem's Journal, or welcome back. Oh, it has been ages since I've done a video, and for that I'm really sorry. But I'm also not sorry because I have had the most amazing summer with my little girl. We've been so busy doing so many different things. And it just didn't feel right filming it, to be honest, because it was taking me away from the moment. I like to film my stuff when I'm doing it solo, and I just haven't really had the opportunity. Now, this video, I'm actually with some friends. I've done a few videos with them before. We're in the Brecon Beacons. We did a camp last night. We are on a campsite because there's usually quite a few of us, but we always camp somewhere with very basic facilities. We are literally on the doorstep of the 4 waterfalls walk, so we are surrounded by waterfalls basically. We went to see one last night, but I didn't have my GoPro with me because I wasn't expecting to go there. I've just woken up. I slept really well last night, yay, which I'm really pleased to say. Normally I'm like, I didn't sleep particularly well, but I slept really well last night, which was great and needed. And I've woken up to a beautiful morning. It has been raining for about a week, so it's really nice to wake up and see sunshine. So yeah, we're just gonna take our time getting ready. I'm about to make a coffee and then decide what we're going to do today, which waterfalls we want to go and see, how far we want to go, and just, yeah, really enjoy being here. I've really missed it. I've missed Wales. I love Wales. I came here at the beginning of the summer holidays, and it's really nice to be back. So let's do this. So I'm meant to be leading the group. I'm meant to be leading the group because I've been here and done this before, but I don't think we've come the right way, and I can't remember. Can't remember the route that we walked, so I'm just kind of making it up as we go along and hoping I get away with it.
All right, Jen.
Never again will they trust me to lead the group.
I'm impressed how you've got up mountains in Lake District Basin.
Oh, thanks. Yeah. But yeah, it's all fun and games. I'm sure we'll find something interesting very soon. But I feel like we've been walking along this path for what feels like ages. Yeah. But we'll make it to a waterfall soon. We found a waterfall! It's taken us ages, most of the day, and it's not where we expected to be, but we found one. I'll put the name of it on the screen somewhere, because there's no way on earth I'm going to be able to pronounce it. So yeah, yay, we finally found one, and we've had such a good day. There's been lots of laughs and enjoyment, like some magical moments. That was possibly one of the most invigorating things I think I've ever done. What a moment. What a moment. So glad I did it. Get outside, people! Look what you're missing! We're gonna go for a swim. So we're back at camp. We ended up doing a section of the 4 waterfalls walk, which was awesome. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Found some beautiful places to go and have a swim. Back at camp now, not sure what we're up to tomorrow, so I'm gonna love you and leave you and say thank you for watching, and I have had the most amazing time, and I'll see you next time.